When we're faced with difficult times at Gates GMC Buick, we stand together to do everything we can to help our community get through it. It's you and our team that make up our family, and we're here to make sure we're doing our part to keep you and your family safe. We're here to help you keep going and to keep you on the road by offering complimentary test drives to your home or office while allowing the full sales process to be completed over the phone and email. Our service department is offering complimentary pickup and drop-off for all service appointments within a reasonable distance. All of our facilities get extensive cleaning and sanitation daily, and all vehicles are thoroughly sanitized before and after they are touched. For those in the market for a new vehicle, we are offering 0% financing for 84 months, plus no payment for 120 days on many of the popular models. We're open, and we're here to help. Call this number, 860-456-0055, or email us at help@gatesgmcnissan.com.